It's called Project Fred Annotation English, so click on it. And as you can see, they are paying $12 per hour for this project. Yo, what is up guys, this is Hadi from HadiTech back with a brand new video. In today's video guys, we are going to be talking about one of the roles that are open right now, and it's currently recruited by different companies, which I will mention in this video. But the only catch is that you need to have a requirement, which is you gotta have a Mac OS or a MacBook in order to work on these type of jobs. Now these jobs are currently recruiting by different companies, and these companies are reaching out to whomever has a Mac in their possession so they can work on these jobs. And as you guys might know, we cover a lot of these AI jobs on the channel, so if you are interested in those, then definitely subscribe and turn the bell notification on. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section down below, or you can reach out to me via my IG. It will be linked in the description down below as well. So yeah, without further ado, let's just start talking about these companies and how you can apply for this job. So the very first company that is recruiting right now, which is Sigma.ai. Don't worry guys, the link will be in the description down below for each company that is recruiting right now. All you need to do is just follow the link and go ahead and apply. So for Sigma, all you need to do is just follow the link as well. And Sigma been out there for quite a while. And once you land on this page, just click on job openings and it will take you to the open position. And as you can see, we have open position for Turkish, Arabic, French, German, British, and different other languages as well. So what you need to do is just select the language that you can speak fluently or at least professionally. So if you're a non-native in that language, at least you can understand it on a professional level. And again guys, make sure to have a Mac in your possession, because all of these jobs require you to have a MacBook of some sort to work on them. So that's the only requirement guys. So yeah, once you locate your language, all you have to do is just, for example, go to the Arabic up here, click on it, and yeah, just proceed with the application. You can read what are the requirements, what are the technical requirements. As you can see, you have to have one of these MacBooks that have these chips inside them. So if you have M1, M2, M3, you can work on them, and you gotta have a Mac OS of this model. So these are the only requirements, like I mentioned before, and they are recruiting currently guys, so you can really apply and get enrolled very fast with them. So click on apply for this job, and yeah, just answer these questions. Yes, put in nationality and tax residency, country, scroll all the way down, select no if you did not work with Sigma. If you want them to contact you via WhatsApp, select yes and put in your number, select your location, and just follow the rest. And yeah, that's how you apply on Sigma AI for this particular job. Now the next website that is recruiting for the same job offer, which is Mercor, and I'm gonna leave the link in the description down below for this particular job offer or role, which is the generous MacBook user. So we're gonna have a dedicated video for Mercor itself, but for this video we're just gonna be talking about this role specifically. So click on the link, it will take you to this job or role, and once you are here, click on start application. Click on start application again. Once you are here, you can put in your first name, last name, and personal email. Mercor expert email, if you have one, you can put it in here. If you don't, it's fine, you don't need to fill that in. Just select yes in this position as well, in this option, excuse me. And are you available to participate in this project over next month? Select yes, of course you are interested in that. Again, like I mentioned before, you gotta have an Apple M series chip, so if you do own one, click yes. Then yeah, select yes for the last option as well, then click submit. And I do think approximately it will take 3 days to evaluate your application, and you will just join in their group and you can start working right away. And for the last company that you can work with as well for the same project, it is OneForma. I'm gonna leave the link to this particular project in the link description down below. It's called Project Fred Annotation English, so click on it and as you can see, they are paying $12 per hour for this project. It's worldwide, so there's no restriction whatsoever, and you gotta be a English native speaker. And yeah, you can just scroll all the way down, see the requirement. You gotta put in at least 30 to 50 hours per month, and yeah, scroll all the way down, read these necessary requirement, and click on apply. Next, do the same, verify your phone, verify your identity, and you just apply. Then you will have to go through all of these, of course, which is the job application, survey, certification, and signature files. Once you do all of these, of course, you will be enrolled with one format as well, and you can start working with them too. Alrighty guys, this was just a quick tutorial on how to actually apply for this job with these different companies. So make sure to actually go ahead and apply for this job with one of these companies because they are recruiting fast. And if you want to secure a position or job role with them, then you can do so right now. If you have any questions, then please let me know in the comment section down below, or you can reach out to me via DMs on my IG. Please go ahead and subscribe to the channel and click that like button so we can grow this YouTube channel. This was Hadi. Take care of yourselves, guys. See you in the next one. Peace.